Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are featuring Sunber hair, which are human hair virgin wigs. So in this box we have a headband, and also I have a wig cap in my skin color, but I already have it on my head. So yeah, but this is how it looks. So this is the wig. I haven't washed the hair, nothing. I only just plucked the hair because the hair came in a good condition, so I didn't need to do all that. But this is how the hair looks after I plucked it. Guys, it took me about an hour or so to pluck this hair, but I don't think it's perfect yet. But still, I love how the hair is laid on my, head. So now let's get into the styling part. So the first thing you want to do is just comb your hair upwards so that you can see how the style is going to look. That's what I did after combing the hair for so long. This is how it looks, guys. Make sure that you have something to hold the hair, or you can just like do what I did with my hair, like I put the hair in my mouth, which is really disgusting, but yeah. So that's how the hair is going to look, but obviously I'm going to add like water and then mousse and then style it. Okay, so the hair that I'm leaving out, that's the hair that I'm going to use for my baby hairs. Also, if you want the link to the wig, I will put everything in the description box below. So yeah, now let us use the mousse. I'm going to be using the mousse from Tresemme just to comb everything up. And then when I'm done with that side, I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so if you're wondering how long this hair took, it took about 8 days to get to South Africa from China, and the communication with the vendor is very good, so that you won't have to stress about. And guys, this is a deep curly wig in 24-inch. If you're wondering, I will put everything in the description box below, so you guys can get the link straight to the wig, okay? Now that I'm done with putting my hair in a ponytail, I'm about to use my Got To Be gel and then wait for it to dry up so we can start laying the wig. Okay guys, that's how everything should look when you are done laying your hair. So now it's time for me to lay the edges. Using my Maybelline powder in the shade 330, I'm going to be doing that just to make the hairline look more natural. So the last step is just to add some oils, because you want your hair to shine, darling. So that's what I'm doing, using Care serum, and that's how the hair looks when you are finished. Never mind that brown pantyhose, like I tried my best to hide it, but anyway, the girl is looking so snatched. Okay, yes.